So I'm very excited to get my, this is my proof from MixArt for the Ruff Sketch portfolio. And it came this morning on UPS. And so came in a regular envelope, but that's okay because that's this is just a proof. But I wanted to be able to get a physical copy of the book so that I could see everything, how it felt and looked before I printed out about 200 copies of it. So anyway, as you can see here, it's a tab, and been waiting for this for quite a while. So let's see what happens. Oh, and by the way, what I'm going to do with this is also proofread it again. I've done that over and over again, but you never know. You want to see what the files look like and make any final adjustments before you spend the money for that full print run. So anyway, here we go. Drum roll. Maybe I'll put it in. Ooh. Well, wow. Okay, it's upside down. Anything else inside here? Nope. Well, it came, in a all wrapped up. Haven't opened it yet, obviously, but this is all printed out, and this is just to show you. This is how it will look in comparison to, say, a standard image comic. You could see that it's quite a bit bigger. This is about as big. This is about as big as I could make it. Wanted to do it as a landscape versus portfolio versus a portrait form. So anyway, let's see what happens. Let's open it up and we get some scissors. Yeah, this is looking, at least through the plastic, it's looking pretty good. So that's looking really good. Yep. It's got a spine on it. So it's perfect bound. Ruff Sketch, John Celestri. Well, I'm going to be proofing all this, but wanted to show you, give you an idea of what we're working with here. Yeah, I'm looking. This is looking good. Yes, these colors pop. Oh yes, yes. Yeah, black and white. The black and whites are great. They're fine. This is in the colors. Looking to see how the and mouse. These are Ruff Sketches thumbnails, examples of how I would plan out my scenes. Here's some Boba Fett material. Yeah. This is all this is great. These are all actually, including these quad hole drawings. These are all the actual size that I drew them in. So you're getting a full experience of what the drawings were like. Here you've got some monsters from Dragon's Lair. There's Dirk. There's Dizzy. That's Cindy Schlepper. Quad Hole. Got some Mylar in here somewhere. Yeah, there's some Mylar drawings. Yep. And let's see. And then Batman. There's some Dirk here. Batman drawings. These are full-sized. I'll give you a real lesson in what an animator works through. There's Snuffy and Zoe. I'll look at them later on. Some of the drawings here. There's Bloodwing. And the beginning of Mega Moose. What the old style was and how he's now morphing. Yeah, that came out okay. I had to put two in a page because otherwise I'd flip them the wrong way and then you have to turn it around like that. But this will give you a good idea of what's going on. And there's the end of the inside back cover. And that's the house. That's the house of John the Animator Comics. So I'm going to be working on issuing these books. There'll be two of the Snuffy and Zoe with a coloring book, and then I'm working on. I've got the origin for Mega Moose, and I will be able to fill out with a second story, so that there is at least a 24 to 28 pages of story for a full, a full issue. So anyway, there. I hope this was entertaining, and it shows you that we are on schedule. So, as Dick Tracy used to say, 6-2 and even, over and out.